Sila nagkakalimutan.
Sino? Oh, parte. Oh, parte. Talaga napapaghalat. Sino mo to? Oo, lahat ng mga party people no. Uy, donut, mama ka nga dyan. Party people. Si Papa si Karen? Sino si Karen? Si Papa? Kumay, nakulang nila. Ala ka! Yun! Yun! Subtitle naman dyan.
Mama, I told you, where have you been?
Mama.
Mama, I'm telling you, time.
Parang sila.
Time mo, kapit. Go to sleep.
Laki na anak. Laki na anak. Adopted pala. Hindi din kayo, no? Hindi kayo, no? Bakit? Sama ka po. Sama ka. Wala. Wala akong alam. Wala na yung business mamaya. Yun. Wala akong unfinished business.
And that's what happened. Okay, so thank you for your time.
Thank you sa mga Sino si Dian? Sino si Karen?
Si Karen, mamaya.
Kumayat na. Kumayat. Oo nga, bagay na bagay.
I'm so tired. Why? What did you do?
Patay na na.
All night, I had a party. What about you? Oh, wait. Here comes the monster.
Sumuon.
Good morning, interns. Here are your patients.
Utang na naman ako. Mali ko na nakikita.
The first patient, excuse me, Dr. Hinata. The first patient is a 25-year-old female comatose due to overdose of drugs and drinking. What do you mean by comatose? Am I talking to doctors here?
Yes. Being non-responsive to stimuli.
Good. Let's go.
Simula. May mga house na rin. Espiritu.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Ms. Killen. I am Dr. Nakata, and here are my interns, Dr. Linatok and Dr. Luis. Good afternoon, ma'am. We have reviewed your daughter's chart, and we have noticed that there is no evident changes. We understand. What's your answer?
Ano daw? Ano nangyayari dyan?
Kasi nandiyan ang mami. Mama said, when she ever wake up,
Mama
we're
said.
doing everything we can to help sustain the life of the patient.
Huh? Yung ano?
What are the chances?
Your daughter has not yet recovered from any treatment that we've done, but she is still in a stable condition, but still on comatose for 4 years now. Dr. Luyan will further explain on that.
House na, drink pa.
According to the test we have run to her, it shows that the health of the patient is not deteriorating, but she is still in comatose state. Mama. Mr. Andrew, Mama.
Si Mama.
No money. No money.
Grabe. Depend career natin yung roleplay. Career na.
We decided that you should pull the blood.
Kaya natutuwa sa atin yung mga tiyo, yung gagagulat natin.
We will give you an answer. You think your decision. We'll come back.
Hindi mo kayo matutumalikod sa akin. Yung patay na yun.
Steve, we have a problem here. The parents want to remove the life support of the patient. What do you think about it?
I think we should respect their decision. In fact, the patient is futile. So, there's nothing more we can do. We should just give in what they want. In fact, as long as there's a consent.
How about you?
But our job is to save the life of our patient. I think it's against our moral principles.
And their team?
No, I can talk. I
Gusto
think
niya
doctor
yun.
said it's a very ethical issue, you know? And for me, we should never
Hindi pa tayo sabayan ganyan yung tatlo.
and for her family. I think we should still try to convince them to
Ayun na.
continue the respiratory stop process.
Respirator.
Let's go to this.
Bigyan mo na ako.
Mr.
Sa 5
we have
minutes.
talked about
Sino?
your
Si Liana.
and
Gumimik
we have
na lahat.
come to decide that we respect what you want. But in that case, we still want to emphasize on you that your patient is still in a stable condition. Yes, she is still in a comatose and the recovery is slow, but she could still be stable. Though we don't know when that
Sabi yung
be.
kaila Alexa
But
dyan.
I just ask, is that your final decision?